How's it going, everyone? Material things don't bring happiness, but they sure do bring a lot of temporary excitement. And speaking of material things, this video is on the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue and my first impressions. Enjoy! So the excitement of opening a brand new iPhone 12 box is always there, but then ultimately we look at what's inside and we find out there's no charging block, no headphones, but it does come with a charging cable that goes from the iPhone Lightning port to USB-C, which means you need to buy a USB-C charging block if you don't have one. It's kind of hard to accept Apple's excuse of being environmentally friendly in excluding the headphones and the charging block when majority of buyers don't have the charging block and will be ordering one like I had, especially given I'm coming from the iPhone 6 and the XR. The iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue looks really good and has various shades from light blue to gray in various lighting conditions. The design itself is reminiscent of many of those who had iPhone 4 or 5. I had the 6 only and later on the XR. So it's a welcome change for me, especially since I use the 6 most often. It's very nice to hold in the hand, nice grip with flat edges. All the iPhones this year have the OLED displays, which I was looking forward to. This iPhone 12 Pro comes with a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display and all that fancy wording from Apple, which just means it's a better display than previous ones. It has 5G capability, the next generation after LTE. It has 12 megapixel cameras with ultra-wide, wide and telephoto lens, along with high quality video with Dolby Vision HDR, which may not make a difference to majority of users. It comes with a selfie or front-facing camera, which is also 12 megapixels. There's this added feature of the LiDAR scanner, which translates into better focus, pictures in dim lighting, and accurate augmented reality or AR. They have the latest A14 processor, the Face ID, and sadly no Touch ID, which is so much more convenient and faster. I really enjoy the Touch ID in the iPhone 6 right up until the iPhone 8, but at times it's just inconvenient, especially during the COVID-19 days. You really don't want to be using face detection when you have your mask on. Apparently a better glass covering on the front, which is resistant to breaking. There's water resistance. The base iPhone 12 Pro model comes with 128GB, which is great for me as I had been stuck on 16GB on the iPhone 6 and 64GB on the iPhone XR. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. In my next video that's coming out next week, I'll be looking at the iPhone 12 Pro and comparing that to the iPhone 6. I know that's not a fair comparison, but you have to ask yourself, has Apple really innovated and really improved upon the iPhone 6? And in all that time that they had, have they really done the innovation that they've known for? Have they really improved on the cameras, the audio system, the displays, as much as they should have? Or is there just a very minimal or substantial difference, but nothing great? So we'll see you on that video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked it.